At Apex University, reputation is built on years of hard work. But for Chinedu, a brilliant lab assistant, his world was about to be turned upside down by a single choice. Chinedu thought he was just coming home for a quiet lunch with his mother. He had no idea that his morning's hard work was about to be overshadowed by a technical nightmare.
Eat while it's hot, Chinedu. Eat, my son.
Thank you, Mama. I'm starving. It smells amazing. Hello, Uncle? Now? Yes, sir, I'm coming right now.
Chinedu, where are you going? The food is still steaming. Just one spoonful, my son.
I'm sorry, Mama. It's urgent. With his heart hammering against his ribs, Chindu didn't just cycle, he flew. But he wasn't racing toward a client or a coding deadline. He was racing toward a storm he didn't see coming. Uncle?
I'm here.
What is happening?
We need to talk about the phone with you. How come you are in possession of a stolen phone?
I don't understand. I bought the phone with me brand new 9 months ago.
Chinedu, we need to talk about the phone with you. Chinedu, this device has been flagged for a serious hardware discrepancy.
Look at the diagonal scratch on the back. It's exactly the same as mine. But the motherboard was swapped. Yes, the casing is yours, but the board inside belongs to my stolen phone.
Let's check the internal IDs. *#06#. Look at the second one. It matches the stolen report digit for digit.
Oh my God. That repairer swapped my phone motherboard. You will have to help me retrieve it, please.
He thought he was just getting a quick, cheap screen repair. He didn't know he was buying a stolen life.
Chinedu!
Trick the phone repairer to come. That's a good idea. Mama G's kitchen would be just fine.
Do you have any latest phone you can sell for me at a cheap price? Oh, sure. People bring all kinds of phones to me. I buy and sell. I wish you had bought your phone from Spectrum. They are credible retailers and distributors of phones and accessories. I buy all my gadgets there. From now on, this is where to always get your phones, accessories, home appliances, and alternative energy products. I trust Spectrum for innovation and integrity. I was careless with the purchase and servicing of my last phone. Not again. I always buy from Spectrum now. You should too.